What I love most about my job is when you're just out and about and you see the product on the street, like somebody with a golf top, and hey, I made that. That makes me feel good. Juan Nivel Manufacturing, golf top production. Production starts with a flat piece of plastic. That plastic is molded, they're routed, assembled, and shipped out. What makes the golf top so special that we make are the time and effort that goes into making them. They're real quality, and when people get them, they see that. My part in the golf top process is assembling them. I say the challenges in top production is knowing that you have a product that you have to get out in an efficient manner. You want to get it out fast, but you also want to make sure there's quality in your work. Nivel is a great company to work for because just the atmosphere, as soon as you walk in through the door, the people from the high ups to the employees, it's just the atmosphere. It's something special. We're all friends back there. We cut up, have fun, but we get the job done. When I started, it was always known that if you want to move up, you can. That opportunity is there. That's good to know when you come to Nivel. You're not stuck somewhere. You can always move up. The thing I love about my job is satisfaction that when a customer gets their product, they see the quality of it and a lot of the time and effort that went into it.